Good day everyone, my name is Johann Paul Gregory and I'm the author of Overcome Tough Times book and also a Remax negotiator. Okay, my dear friends, somebody asked me about what is the real estate market for this 2018 and also moving forward for 2019. So now my dear friends, as I mentioned before, real estate market is quite tough at this moment, and we have to look at the reality and also the state of Malaysian government having to recruit all the losses or from through 1MDB, which you can read from the news. Don't simply quote me, just read from the news and you know it. And for me, if you're buying for your own stay, just buy it, because there's never a good time for you to buy, alright, because you already passed those prices which is very low during several years ago. So I had one executive director, if not the director, one of the large big four companies. She asked me, Johan, what is your opinion on buying another property or upgrading? So I always ask this question, likewise to all my purchasers. What is the objective of buying? Is it buying for own stay or buying for investment? If you just want to buy for upgrade and you have to check the differences, is it worthwhile for you to pay this? Nevertheless, during a buyer's market, you have a lot of good offers on the market. But having said so, is it worthwhile for you to buy them? First thing, if you already have a home or you have multiple homes, so why do you need? If you need because of lifestyle, you need because it's more convenient, then by all means go ahead. After all your money that you have also, what are you going to do with it? Pass on to the next generation, right? So having said so, for those people who are not able to afford but you need to buy something and it's a lifetime investment, so you buy, the place is convenient for you, and now it's a good time to buy because it's a buyer's market. You can look for discounts, you can look for best buy, and the developers are giving a lot of special incentives for you to purchase the property that you really love it. At times, some of it or most of it is all completed projects, so you can just walk in and you just go and stay there. Correct? Okay. So then this executive director asked me, Johan, why you're so different from the rest of the agent? The rest of the agent can say buy. Of course, if you buy a property, then you can get their professional fees. Of course, I would love that also as a Remax negotiator. Of course, I want you to buy as well. But having said so, what is the objective and what is the purpose and what is your investment horizon like? To buy the property is more important than the commission that I will receive from you. Okay, so I wish you the best and wish you the success. If you need to buy for own stay, go ahead and buy. If you are looking for good buys, now is the best time to buy. If you need to sell to avoid RPGT, RPGT in Malaysia is now for 5%, regardless of how many years. So now the latest news, according to yesterday's news, is starting from year 2000. Okay, so my dear friends, don't worry about the 5%. Of course, the 5% is from your net profit, so you can minus out a lot of costs involved, including agents fees and lawyers fees or some renovation. So don't look at the 5% and you rush into it to sell your property. But of course, if you need to sell and you want to save your 5%, please by all means go ahead. By end of this year, you have another 1.5 months. One month to be safe, to be 1 month exactly. So wish you the best. I wish you the success. If you need my help for anything regardless of any questions, or you need my help in real estate, let me know. I hope to help you. And I'm the author of Overcome Tough Times. If you want to buy this book, you can go to www.overcometoughtimes.com to place your order, and I'll send by post laju or another a courier provider. So wish you the best and God bless you. Bye bye.